How's it going, everyone? Welcome to CNC Auto Works. And this is my recently acquired purchase. This is a 07 Sierra Classic. We've already done the exhaust on this. We put long tube headers, 2.5 inch true duals X pipe with a cherry bomb vortex muffler. I never really cared for it. It sounds real clapped out. I hate the way it sounds. It gets real clappy. I'm going to put a couple of clips in of how this thing sounds. We're gonna be, I put up a short not too long ago of, asking anybody, hey, do you know a combination I can throw on this thing that doesn't sound so clapped out? And there was a few people that had some input. One guy said, hey, just put a 3-chamber on it. And that's what I was gonna do, just to make it quiet and you'd never hear nothing. This is kind of what I was figuring, 3-chamber being super quiet. But I got on Amazon, I was looking around, I found the cheapest dual in, dual out, 2.5 muffler I could. I looked at the way it's built. It had 18-inch case, kind of like the Vortex, and had 2 V's in it. That's all it showed. I said, well, you know what, that might be all right. Added to cart, ordered it, shows up, lo and behold, 3-chamber muffler. Had walls in it too. That's not what they described. That's not what the picture said, but we got it. So now that's what we're gonna go with. We're gonna get it installed and we'll do a sound clip of the 3-chamber after. See if we still got the clap or see if we got an extreme drone. Yada, yada, yada.
Got the Clapperation 9000 cut off, and now I got the turn down welding on this new cherry bomb lookalike looking unit, and we're gonna go ahead and try to install it and see what if it sounds any better.
Well, before we do that,
okay,
this cherry bomb Vortex, it's kind of a hybrid muffler really. It's has a packing muffler, and it has a little wave deal inside here. And it does have packing on the outside. It's still a straight through design. You can see through it.
If you can even look through it like that. Oh, I think I've seen it a little bit in the camera.
And it has actually 2 wedges right here in the middle, 2 V wedges. There's a gap in between. But to me, this thing sounds glass packy. I don't know if it's the packing or what. It just sounds like an old school grain truck clapped out pack. I was kind of hoping with it being a, kind of like a hybrid type deal, that it wouldn't sound like that, but that's basically what it sounds like. And I will say one thing, Cherry Bomb, you need to step it up because the welds on y'all's case looks terrible compared to that welds on this 3-chamber Chinese.
China. I love them. China. China.
Case.
China's great. And then you look at these American welds, they're even worse.
Those welds look terrible because we should have ground the coating off. But we're kind of in a hurry because it is Thanksgiving Day. And I'm going to be in the doghouse being out here farting with this thing and not at home eating Thanksgiving supper. All right.
turns out 3-chamber muffler cures the claps.
Cures the quiets too, because that thing's quiet.
You gotta sacrifice one thing or another.
Might have to start driving it to church now.
Yeah. Church approved.
That's going to be it for this video, guys. Like I say, I'm glad the truck got rid of the clap. Might have to go to a 2-chamber though. It is a little quiet. Pretty much has the same tone no matter what throttle input you got. I like it to be a little louder at wide open throttle, but I might not change it. Might, who knows?
Well, that'll be it for this video, guys, and we'll catch you later.